Hi, this is DK and welcome to this quick video. In this video, I'm going to quickly review social contest, which is basically a viral contest builder SaaS software that was launched recently. So it's a software as a service, service that was launched, and it is kind of a competition for a lot of other giveaway and contest building plugins like that of Kingsumo giveaways and rafflecopter. So it's in those lines, but social contest is a very handy little plugin, like what you're going to see in a couple of minutes when I'm going to show you some of the features of social contest. It's a very handy little plugin, and it comes with a lot of features that are built in that is not available in a lot of other expensive plugins and scripts and softwares that you see that you will see on the internet, like that of Kingsumo giveaways. So I'll quickly log into the members dashboard and show you how social contest works and what are the features and things like that. So I'm logging into my social contest dashboard. Okay, so you can see here, this is the dashboard for social contest, and it's a pretty simple dashboard with a lot of things on the dashboard itself. You can see here some of the options. There is a dashboard, there's an option to create contest, manage clients, API integration, statistics, and my accounts. So basically under the my accounts tab, you will find all of these tutorials, quick guides, FAQs, the bonuses, all of those things. The statistics basically gives you the statistics for each of the contests and also a list of your subscribers. I'll show you. So this page basically shows you a list of all your subscribers. You can download this list from here, and you can import that into any of your autoresponders if you prefer doing that. But one of the best features of social contest, which most other plugins would charge you a lot for, is the API integration out here. So when I click on that, it takes me to a page where you can see you have an option of integrating most of the primary autoresponders in the market, like Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, SendReach, ActiveCampaign. You can integrate all of this. In addition to that, you have an option of integrating GoToWebinar as well. Now this is a premium option that you will normally find in a lot of other services, and you will have to pay somewhere around 100 to 150 bucks to get this option added to your service. But with social contest, that comes inbuilt with the basic basic purchase itself. Now let me go to this option called as manage clients. Now what this option does is that it gives you an option of managing or running social contests and giveaways for your clients. Now this is a very handy feature because this means that you have developer license to social contest, and you can run this for any number of clients on any number of Facebook fan pages. Now that's another feature that you will see in a while. You can run these social contests. You can directly integrate this with your Facebook fan page and run this as a tab on your Facebook fan page. And this option gives you to manage this social contest for your clients. Now it's very simple doing that. I'm going to show you how this works in a couple of minutes from now. But then this feature gives you to go ahead and resell this service to any number of clients that you want. Now this is an upgrade to your basic purchase, so it's entirely up to you if you want to go with go for this option or not. But because I purchased a pro version of social contest, I have access to managing these clients, and it's pretty simple. It's a very cool feature that you will not find in any of the other scripts that are available. Now let me go to the main part of social contest, which is on creating a contest. Now this is it's a very easy to use service because there is nothing too jazzy or too difficult to go about and do in this one. So you're on this page where you can create a contest. So it starts by selecting a template. So let's select this template for affiliate marketing. I click on this use template, and it takes me to the next page where I can start creating the social contest. So here I have an option of giving it a title. So let me give it a title, affiliate marketing freebie. Now you can enter whatever you want here. That will appear on this top bar here. So you can enter anything. I'll keep it the way it is. A premium video series worth $500 for free. You have an option of adding a banner, an image, or a video. If you don't want to do anything, just click on none and there will be nothing. But if you want to upload an image, you can do that, or if you want to add a video, you can do that as well. All that you need to do is just copy the YouTube embed code, or embed code from whichever service you want to do that, and copy and paste that here. But if it's an image that you want to do, you can just click on upload here and it will take you to a page where you can add an image and then upload that into this area. So I will add an image and come back in a couple of seconds. I'll first upload the image and then I'll come back in a couple of seconds and show you how it works. Okay, so I have uploaded this image here. Now I'm going to select that image, and that's already done. Now you have an option of enabling a slider. If you do that, you can add multiple images and this will turn into a slider, but I don't want to do that, so I'll keep this unchecked. Now here is a description. Now this description will appear in this area out here. You can enter whatever you want so that you are able to your viewers or your participants are able to know how exactly this works. Now you can see here, these are options that you can toggle if you want to show or hide, and this is a timer setting. Now basically if you want to run it for a specific period of time, if you want to decide from when to when you want to run that, you can do all of that. And this is the timer settings, so the before start time and the end time timer. So I'll keep all of that here. It's that simple, just enter some details there. Now these terms and conditions and the rules and regulations are entirely optional. The terms and conditions, you can keep it the way it is because that's a very detailed terms and conditions, so you can just keep it that way. The rules and regulations entirely up to you, how you want to do it, what you want to do, or what you want to enter there. So once you've done all of that, you can just click on update and this page should update and you should be able to see how it is going to appear once all of this is updated. Now you can see here the image has been uploaded and all of the details are there. So once you've done with all of this, just click on go to user settings and you'll be taken to the next page where you can enter the user settings. You can decide how you want to do it. You can make people log in using an email. If you want to use Facebook, you can use that as well, and if you want to use Twitter, you can use that as well. So the more options you have, the easier it will be for people to enter into the contest. So these options are normally not available in any of the other scripts that are available in the market today. So once that is done, you can go to price settings, and these are some details that you can enter. It's a headline, the description, how many winners you're going to choose. If you decide you want pick 2 winners, you can enter that, and you can change all of this information here. And once you've done all of that, just proceed to step 2. Now here you have a lot of options, whichever way you want to run this this contest. Now you have options where you can make people answer questions. You can make people choose an image, a single choice list where you can give them an option from which they can pick one of that, or you can give them multiple choice check boxes where they can go about and select multiple check boxes. So I'll quickly show you now. These are some options that are already being added here. Let me remove these and I'll show you, quickly add that and show you. So under the questions, when you click on multiple choice, it gets added and it's very simple. So all that you need to do is just enter your headline out here, the description of what the question is, and here separated by comma you can enter the choices. What is the entry worth? If it's 2 points, you can enter 2 here. If it is 4, you can just enter 4 here. That's it. So you can select as many number of options you want from these one. The second one is Google Plus. You can add a Google Plus URL here, which can be used to do for a +1, and it's a very handy feature if you want to increase engagement on Google Plus. Now you can enter the Facebook option where you can enter a fan page URL and you can ask people to go to this URL, visit this URL, or maybe ask them to like your fan page URL or whatever you want to do. Under YouTube, you have 3 options where you can make them watch a video. You can enter the video URL here. You can then make them watch a video. You can make them submit a video, or you can ask them to subscribe to your channel. Now, the external page option basically gives you an option to ask them to visit an external page. If you want them to visit your blog and maybe comment on one of the posts, you can get them to do that. All that you need to do is just enter the page URL out here, and you can enter whatever description you want in the HTML option out here. Now, on Pinterest, you again have about 2 options, which is to follow you on Pinterest or pin image on a Pinterest on Pinterest. So this is pretty simple. You can just upload an image here and ask them to pin that image. You can enter the source URL so that your URL is kind of linked to that specific image, and you can enter the description or in this details box out here. And if you want to give them 2 entries for doing that, you can do that. So the more entries that you give, the more lucrative it turns out to for people to do that. On Twitter, you again have about 4 options, which is to retweet a tweet, tweet any of your tweets, hashtag, or follow you on Twitter. Now, the next one, which is a viral share, is one of the best options of social contest. Now, what this does is you can allow sharing using email, Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. So if people share using one of this option, they get extra points, which they can again use. Like, for example, they share on Facebook, you can give them maybe 2 points. On Twitter, there will be again 2 points. So they can refer their friends, and when they refer their friends, what happens is the contest goes viral, and you get quite a lot of people participating in the contest, and that way you'll get a lot of engagement, and you'll be able to build a huge list using the viral option out here. Now, this option again is something that is not available with a lot of these scripts. Like, for example, with Rafflecopter, it is not available, and with Kingsumo, again, it's the price of Kingsumo, it's close to about $197 for a single page license. So it's only available with a few of these scripts or services that are there. Now, the last option is a bonus option, which means that you can ask people to take a specific action and unlock a bonus. If for example they follow this at the specific action that is required here, they get a specific number of entry, and when they are able to do 2 of those entries, what will happen is they can unlock one of these bonuses. Like, for example, you can ask them to maybe pin an image and maybe follow you on Twitter. So those 2 actions will be worth close to about 5 points, and if you enter 5 points out here, then what will happen is that will unlock a bonus for them. So this is another way of incentivizing your visitors so that they take most number of actions with these options that are there on your contest plugin. So all in all, if you look at it, there are quite a lot of features that are built into social contest, and you have a lot of options to go about running extremely viral social contests. And it's pretty easy, because publishing it is also very simple, because you get an embed script which you can embed into your blogs, into your web pages. If you want to directly post it into one of your Facebook fan page, you can do that as well. All that you need to do is just click on one of these buttons that are there. I'll show you, and it will post into your Facebook fan page. So let me quickly show you. Now, in this option, you can see here, let me activate this, and I will show you how it works. So you can see here now there is a share option. When you click on this is the link. So you can share this link, and this is where the contest will be hosted. Now, if you want to install on a Facebook fan page, just click on this, and it'll help you install on a Facebook fan page. So you'll need to connect your Facebook account with the software, and once you've done that, you will be able to link this, install this directly onto one of your page tab, and run it directly on your Facebook fan page. So you can see how easy it is to create viral contests and run that using social contests. It's a pretty simple and easy service, and because it's all hosted on their servers, there is nothing that you have to worry about in terms of installing, generating scripts, and doing all of those things. And for about $27 that they've launched this hand delivery plugin, it's a cool and cost-effective plugin which you can straight away go and get your hands on. So I'll recommend that you go ahead, buy Social Contest if you are interested in generating viral virality to your content, or generating viral visitors to your content, or if you want to build your list. I will recommend Social Contest to anyone who wants to do that or wants to run contest, because it's a very cost effective plugin in comparison to a lot of other plugins or softwares that are available on the internet today. So go ahead, you will see a link in the description box below. You can click on that link and order your copy of Social Contest today at an extremely low price. Thank you for watching.